What's up, amigos? Welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new UV LED strip lights. I think that's how you say it. So that's for today. Now, if you guys seen my previous videos, I mentioned how I'm going to build a new, how you say, exposure unit table. At first I was going to use the UV floodlight that I'm using right now, but I decided, you know what, I'm going to buy some LED strips, which is right here today. That way I can have more space on the table to actually place my screens. And I ordered those, I think it was like, can't remember, almost like 2 weeks ago. But the reason it took long to get here, because you already know the whole coronavirus thing is affecting everything around. So it took longer than expected, but I finally arrived today. And I'm going to be unboxing that today, right now. Okay, so let's get ready to unbox this. But before we actually do this, not only do I have the UV LED strips in here, but I also have a stand for my laptop, because literally every time I'm on the computer editing videos, designing, or just searching the web, I'm always crouching and it affects my back and everything. So I decided to buy a stand for my laptop that could be more like, how do you say, level to my eyesight. So that's what's in here today. And I actually bought this. You see my credit from my Amazon links. So if you guys want to support this channel, please use my affiliate links from my Amazon. They are in the description below. It helps out a lot. So yeah. But anyways, let's open these strips right now. Where's my box cutter right now? Okay, here it is. Even though I don't need it, I could just rip this, but no. Bubble wrap, not bubble wrap, I mean these airbags. See, my lights and my laptop stuff. Okay, let's open this. Let's open the LED strips right now. The cable, I don't know what this is called. The power cord, not power cord, but I don't know how you call this. And these are the actual lights. Wow. That's one row. There's actually 2 rows that I've got. Supposedly these are, let me see if I can find the receipt. Recipe. Hold on. I just had it right now in my hand. Oh, here it is. Where is it at? Supposedly, these two together are supposed to be 60 watt. Yes, it's there's a UV black light LED strip 60 watt 5 meters. Camera rest is 5 meters for each one, or both of them together. But anyways, let's test this on right now. I'm just gonna turn them on, but I'm not actually test them out because again I don't have my table complete. So you're actually gonna wait for that another day when I actually like have my table, when I set up all the wiring, because yes, I'm gonna have these UV lights to expose my screens, but I still need to order a yellow light. That way I can actually see when I place my films on the exposure unit. That way when I could register, I could see better. But let's test this out. Okay, that'll work. Not as strong come together. Okay, so this one they're split. Okay. So these work. But again, I'm gonna have to wait till actually complete my table so I could test these out to see how they would come out compared to the one I'm already using. So right now I don't recommend these because I don't know how they work, but I'll still leave the link in the description below so you can see them out. Okay, but anyways, let's go to the next item. This right here. Okay, so okay, I see. These are from my cell phone. Okay, I'm gonna bring my laptop to test this out. Okay, I'm back. So I brought my laptop and just see how this actually stands out. Oh yeah, it works pretty good, man. Oh my god. I do have a keyboard, but hopefully it still works. And this is for the cell phone. I have a spare cell phone right here. It doesn't work. You can see no battery. But hold on, there you guys can see actually what's going on. Transfer this thing out. Right there. Yeah. You see, not really, but look at the top. Oh, yeah. Oh, big help right here. No more crouching down. Okay, amigos, so that's all for today's video. Just a quick video of me unboxing my new UV LED strips. Even though I'm not going to be able to test those today that won't be to actually complete my table, my new exposure unit table. So be patient for that. And also for the laptop stand, that's mostly personally for me, but I'll still leave that link in the description below if you guys want to check it out yourself. And tomorrow, hopefully I'll be printing the shirts for my boss. The package actually arrived today here in my city, but I forgot that I already told what do you call them, the shipping carrier, that every time that box comes to me, that I will pick it up personally. And I forgot I told them that before. That's what they delivered today, because they always hold it for me. But I didn't have time to go today because work has been real busy, because tortillas right now, since everybody's staying home due to the quarantine because of the whole coronavirus, everyone stays home, everybody's gotta eat, and they buy tortillas from us. So I didn't have time to actually go and pick it up. But tomorrow I'll go pick it up if they don't actually deliver it, because like I mentioned, I told them to just leave it there until that box comes for me, to leave it there and I'll go pick it up. I forgot about that, but hopefully tomorrow I'll be printing those shirts. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you can actually see that video when I actually start printing. And in the meantime, amigos, that's all. So I'll see you guys next time.